Welcome to my channel. How to fix HP printer offline problem, easy steps 2025. First, check printer connection, restart your printer, computer, and Wi-Fi router to refresh the connection. Second, restart devices, restart your printer, computer, and Wi-Fi router to refresh the connection. Third, set HP printer as default. Go to Control Panel Devices and Printers, right-click your HP printer, and select Set as Default Printer. Fourth, disable Use Printer Offline option. Open Devices and Printers, right-click your HP printer, select See What's Printing, click Printer, and uncheck Use Printer Offline. Fifth, update or reinstall printer drivers. Open Device Manager, find your printer, and update drivers. If needed, reinstall them using the HP Smart app or from HP's website. Sixth, run HP Print and Scan Doctor. Download and run HP Print and Scan Doctor, official HP tool, to automatically fix offline problems. Seventh, check network status. Make sure your printer is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your computer. If using a USB connection, replug the cable. Eighth, restart print spooler service. Press Windows R, type services.msc, find print spooler, right-click, and select Restart. Ninth, update Windows. Install the latest Windows updates to ensure compatibility with your printer. 10th, re-add your printer. Remove the printer from Devices and Printers, then add it again using Add a Printer. Thank you for watching.